You got that love that I'm missing,
Turn me up, twin.
Show me the truth. Show me the truth. Show me the truth. If you love me, then you love me, then tell me the truth right now. Tell me the truth right now. If you love me, then tell me the truth right now. Tell me the truth right now. Tell me the truth right now. Say I love you, but I think it's saying I give it up. I think it's saying I give it up. I want you, but I know you gotta run up. But I know you gotta run up. I know. So baby, I ain't chasing you, baby. I ain't chasing you, baby. I ain't chasing you.
No.
I don't chase my liquor, so baby, I ain't chasing you, baby. I ain't chasing you.
I think it's time to go.
I snuck up in the booth to get some shit off of my mental. A lot of shit we did, I wish we could get them back for one more summer. But I'm knowing we can't get them back. A lot of niggas crazy, they be wildin' on this phone. My niggas say I changed cause I'm like talking on no phone. Them bitches say I fake cause I'm like smoking dope alone. I gotta keep my distance, now that yummy rebel gone. Every day the same shit, so I just deal with the pain. Walking out within the rain just to cover my tears. Tiptoe across the edge just to get over my fears. That's how all the bullshit, so I don't fuck with my peers. Throwing dirt up on my name, but still trying to be gang. Trying to stop with all these drugs, I just wanna be safe. All the shit we been through, I ain't expect you to change. You said you stayed, but you left me here. This rebel, it's been 7 years. You bitches say I'm crazy cause I be calling on these phones. Bitches say I changed cause I don't like talking on the phone. These bitches say I fake cause I be talking to the hoes. I gotta keep my distance, now that yummy rebel gone. Toss turning through the night, make me pop out the pills. You won't understand this feeling if you ain't mentally ill. Living in the world where it's killers be killed. Mama trapped on homicides, they can't deal with the pain. Steady like no candles, steady flicking through channels. Hoping they don't see their baby on the news. The yummy and the rebel ain't even make the news. Shit, I lost my grandma too, and my auntie Lovey, and my friend Shay too. And my uncle LA, and I lost my grandpa, and I lost my friend Daquan. Shit, the only one I made the news is Daquan. Shit, it's hard to say, shit is sad to say. Niggas, they be crazy, they be wildin' on these phones. Niggas, they be changing, they talking on these phones. My niggas say I'm fake cause I be smoking dope alone. I gotta keep my distance, let that yummy rubber gone. AJ make it home. Yeah, I gotta keep my distance, AJ make it home. Yeah, I snuck up in the booth to get some shit up off my mental. A lot of shit we did. I'm wishing I could get them back for one more summer. But I'm knowing I can't get them back. Ain't got much to say. Niggas, they be crazy, they be wildin' on these phones. Ain't too much to say, so I'd rather you leave me alone. Bitches ain't I'm faking on me, smoking dope alone. I gotta keep my distance, let it yummy rumble gone. On it yummy rumble gone, yeah, they didn't make it home. Every day the same shit, just deal with the pain. Walking out within the rain, just to cover my tears. Tiptoe to the edge, just to get over my fears. Can't take all that bullshit, I don't fuck with my peers. Throwing dirt up on my name, still trying to be gang. Trying to stop with all these drugs, I just wanna be safe.